Hi there, welcome back to our Flow Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS Teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion links that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about Akero or Akero. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but basically, this platform brings marketing and admission teams together. Um, it is basically a marketing platform for higher education institutions like universities and things like that. First of all, we can see that the headline is very clear and transparent, and it's also exemplified by the a very clear subheadline, where basically it states that it is an advertising and conversion platform for student for higher education. Okay, experts to students, and here they go more in depth about how this is helping higher education attract students through a good advertising campaign. Right. So then they go more in depth about how it all works. And if we scroll down, you've got an instant element of credibility in terms of all the universities that they've worked with. Okay. And so that means that any university that might be looking into hiring this business to do their marketing will definitely positively reinforced in the decision by looking at how many other universities have already taken the step of doing that. And another element of social proof, which is really good here, is that they've got a strong testimonial from somebody actually at the university that which are like the ones that they're targeting. And then that's it. So first of all, one thing that they could have done is have the frequently asked questions at the section at the bottom of the page to decrease any concerns that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. And then I've also added some kind of contact form at the top of the page to increase the number of opt-ins by simply adding a lead magnet, a freebie, or a discount. Also, if we go on here, we can see that there's not really any pricing page, which means that they are putting it behind the demo. Okay, so if you want to the pricing page, you're gonna have to actually go through the demo. And other than that, I think that is everything. Obviously, in terms of conversions, it's always helpful to um, carry out some tests and analysis, in terms of data research, like using heat maps, like click maps and scroll maps to identify where most of the attention of the prospect is directed. And also we can run A/B tests to test which variant is the best for conversions. Other than that, I think this is the end of the video. So I hope you guys like this. And if you are a SaaS founder who would like help with increasing your conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call and I'll see if I can help you. Other than that, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.